Here I have ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme, and let me show you how to activate this device. So let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following device. So as you can see here, you have to start by using the welcome banner. This is the full list of available languages that you can use. So in my case, let me select, for example, English from United States. Let's go next. If you are ready, you can insert SIM card, but you may also activate your device without a SIM card, so let me do it that way. Tap skip. Here you can connect your device to one of the available Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this because you can do more with your internet access. So let me choose my Wi-Fi. The device is obtaining IP address. Now the phone is checking connections. Let's wait until the operation will be done. The phone is looking for available update. Here you've got information about tap and go. Let's tap skip. And here you can add the Google account to your device. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this because you can do more with your Google account connected. So let me enter my email. If you would like to, you can also use the create an account link and use the new Google account, or you can use the existing one, as in my case. Let's tap next. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, let's choose next right here. If everything is alright, you have to accept terms of services and privacy policy. Tap accept. The phone is checking info. You can set up payment information. For example, you can use some of the following options, or you can skip it by choosing remind me later and tap next. Excellent. Here you have to decide that you would like to use one of the following backups, or you can simply scroll down and choose setup as a new. To have a fresh start, tap next. You can insert the screen lock protection if you would like to, or you can choose skip anyway. You can do it later in settings. Here you've got some Google services. For example, you can enable or disable backup phones apps, app data, settings, personal dictionaries. You can use Google's location service to help apps determine your location. You can improve location services and help improve your Android experience. In my case, let me leave all of this enabled and tap next. And that's it, tap OK. Now you can use your device. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.